Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, or not yesterday, but on Tuesday. Remember, markets were closed on Wednesday. But the last day the market was open, again on Tuesday, that is where I did this annotation there. And I don't say this to pat myself on the back, but I am going to pat charts on the back. An absolutely beautiful job of the charts kind of flexing their muscle that they do work. Now, are charts perfect? No, nothing is perfect. But if you did watch that video, then you should remember me talking about $1.95 as support. And surprise, surprise, on a couple different occasions, it not only did it act as support, but provided a nice little bounce opportunity as far as, if you got in around this area of the chart. So from a trading perspective, definitely, some good opportunity from a like I said, trader perspective. However, just looking at the overall chart, that was also a very important level that you would want to see hold, because if the price starts to drop below there, then that's starting to put the price in a territory that it hasn't been for a while. And I'm not going to say that the entire chart is ruined if the price breaks below $1.95, but staying up above it like it did today, that's definitely just going to be, a good sign of overall strength for the chart. Now, in the event the price does go below $1.95 and cannot, hold up above it, that is where a very famous and what I would consider pretty much the must-hold level of support comes into play, which is that pink line there, the 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, then yeah, ideally speaking, you want to see the price stay up above it, assuming of course you're long. So again, not saying $1.95 is going to fail, but in the event it does, the next key overall technical level to keep an eye on is going to be the 200 period moving average. Right now valued at $1.86, but keep in mind it's called a moving average, so that value is going to move and change over time. In terms of levels of resistance, pretty straightforward. It's all about that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. You can see there was the bounce during the late morning, early afternoon, and that's right where it ran out of steam, up around there. So while I'm not saying it's impossible to break through that level, I'm just saying according to the story that's being told to us here, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight back up above that level. So all in all, nice looking chart today. Good to see $1.95 hold. We'll see if the bulls can make another run up towards these highs or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.